Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Can Visa Pathway. Today's video is going to be very special as I'm going to tell you about a new program which is called Global Talent Stream. Under this program, you can get work permit in 10 days. Yes, this is unbelievable and it is true. Through this program, you will be able to get an employer-specific work permit. Let's discuss what are the benefits of this program which makes it very special. The first is no IELTS required. You don't require IELTS score, which is the biggest benefit for most of candidates. There is no requirement of LMIA. Under this program, your employer doesn't require LMIA, but instead will just need LMBP, which is called Labor Market Benefit Plan. It has a very simple application process and requires much lesser documentation as compared to LMIA. So the next benefit which we have under this program is no WES West assessment requirement. There's no age limit under this program. If you got accepted, you can move with your family inside Canada. The next is permanent residency after 1 year. You can apply for your PR or permanent residence after just 1 year under CEC class of Express Entry program. Moreover, even your spouse or common law partner can get open work permit which allow them to work for any employer in Canada under any job position offered to them. Under this program, the salary is very high and you will be offered minimum 80,000 Canadian dollar if you got accepted. As we know that its processing time is 10 working days for entire application process and $1,000 of application fee payment as well is handled by employer, so you don't need to worry about anything. Everything is taken care by your employer if you got accepted. In short, we can say that it is the fastest immigration pathway for eligible workers who are seeking a new life inside Canada. GTS, Global Talent Stream Program. In this video, we are going to discuss following topics one by one. We will discuss in detail Global Talent Stream Work Visa, the targeted occupation list under Global Talent Stream. Next, we will discuss the visa cost and processing time. After that, we will discuss eligibility requirements. Then we will discuss about where to find jobs, which job portals and job websites you need to refer to get job offers. Lastly, we will discuss who can apply for this program and how to apply jobs under GTS. We will be covering all these topics one by one, so do watch this video till the very end. Hi guys, this is Jatinder from Can Visa Pathway. If you are new to our channel, we show people how to save money and how to immigrate to Canada through my videos without the help of any immigration consultant or agent or lawyer. Please consider subscribing to our channel because all the information provided here is completely free and I answer all the queries in the comment section as well. You can also reach us on our Instagram accounts, so don't forget to follow us there as well. We try to make people independent. Details about Global Talent Stream GTS. The Global Talent Stream is part of Temporary Foreign Worker Program, which is also called TFWP, which provides employer with expedited access to unique, specialized and highly skilled temporary foreign workers. Let's discuss what is the purpose of this program. The GTS is mainly introduced to help Canadian employers in hiring foreign workers with specialized knowledge and experience for job positions which they cannot fulfill locally inside Canada. Candidates with employer-specific work permits can fly to Canada with their families and begin working in Canada right away. This program has visa processing fee of 1,000 Canadian dollars, but the best part is that your employer has to pay the entire fee, so it would not cost you anything. The processing time is really quick, at just 2 weeks. So that's great, and issued work permit under this program will be valid for up to 3 years. Let's move to the next slide. Why GTS is preferred by Canadian employers. Canadian employers benefit from this program because the application is not as complex as normal LMIA application. This program has lesser documentation involved, and since it has such a quick processing time, employers don't have to wait for a long time for their employees to fly to Canada and begin working for them. Next, coming to target occupations for Global Talent Stream. The targeted occupations are divided into two categories, Category A and Category B. Out of these two categories, Category B is most common and easy to work with as well. But first, let's discuss Category A. Under this category, high growth companies that can demonstrate a need to recruit unique specialized talent from abroad fall under Category A. Employers in this category must be referred to Global Talent Stream by a designated referral partner. In other words, we can say that those companies who want to apply for work permit for candidates need a referral from designated partner. But here we need to understand what does mean by designated referral partner. The designated referral partners who basically vouch for employers' legitimacy and eligibility for category. I want to mention that every province has their own designated partners appointed by the government. These designated partners provide referrals to these companies. Once these companies has a referral, then they can hire foreign workers. Here is the list of designated partners for referral to Category A of Global Talent Stream. I will leave a link in description as well so that you guys have access to it. You can find designated partner as per each province inside Canada. So for example, you can see here Atlantic region has its own designated partner here. Then you can see here New Brunswick, Newfoundland, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward, Central Canada, Ontario, Quebec, etc. You can click on these links here and you can have information about designated partners inside each province. Let's move to next category, which is Category B. Under this category, you do not need a referral. This category is only for technology sector and tech positions. All jobs which fall under computer, IT, civil engineering, electrical, etc. belong to Category B. I want to mention that computer or IT jobs market is huge and there is a huge demand of skilled workers inside Canada. Let's discuss about NOC codes which falls under Category B. I want to mention that NOC codes also called tier codes, which is a 5-digit code. If you do not know which NOC code or tier code you fall under, then you can find your NOC code using NOC code finder tool on IRCC website. For example, let's say you are a civil engineer and you want to find your NOC code. Simply go on this website. I will leave a link in description and type here civil engineer. Then you will come to know about your NOC code as you can see here. Let's look for occupations list under Category B. So here you can see this table and on the left side you can see NOC code as per 2011 is provided here and NOC code as per 2020 is provided here as well. And you can see occupation, computer and information, civil engineers, electronics and electrical, mining engineers, aerospace, computer engineers, mathematicians, information system analyst, database analysts and data administrators, software engineers and designers, computer programmers, web designers and developers, electrical and electronics, computer network technicians, information system testing techniques, producer, technical, creative and artistic director, digital media designers, etc. So you can see here on this table all the occupations under Category B you can find here. You can also notice that the minimum wages required for each category for each NOC is mentioned here. Next, now coming to requirements and eligibility for this stream. The requirements are quite simple and straightforward actually, since you will be getting an employer-specific work permit. You need to have a job offer from an employer in Canada. Let's discuss category A, eligibility and requirements. Under category A, employer must be referred by one of the GTS designated partner, as we discussed in previous slides. Employer must offer you a base salary of at least 80,000 Canadian dollars per year. Next is you must possess a unique and specialized talents to qualify for a Canadian work permit, which could include advanced knowledge or experience in the position that you are being employed in. You must also either have an advanced degree in area of specialization of interest to the employer or minimum of 5 years of experience in the field required. Let's move to category B, eligibility and requirements. I want to mention again that this is the most famous category which is preferred by most of the people. So the first requirement is you must have experience in any of the targeted tech occupation, as we discussed before. And the second is you must be offered minimum specified wages as mentioned on IRCC website. Let's move to the next page. Let's discuss which job websites and portals can be used to find offers from your home country. I would say that the best way to find jobs inside Canada from your home country is to find through your references inside Canada and look for professional networking websites as well. You can look for jobs at Canada Job Bank webpage on IRCC website, which regularly posts genuine vacant positions which you can apply to from anywhere in the world. I have made a detailed video on how you can go about finding these jobs in Canada from your home country. Along with that, you can also look for other websites, for example, LinkedIn, Monster, Indeed. They are also great in finding relevant positions. Let's move to the next page, how to apply jobs. Step 1 is apply online through different portals, the one we discussed before. Your first target is to land a job offer from an employer who is qualified for this program. Second step is your employer will have to submit an application that includes your information under labor market benefit plan, and job offer will be reviewed. The third step is once you are approved to obtain a work permit, your work permit will be issued and you will be authorized to travel to Canada and start your new job. In the end of the video, let's discuss few more important things about Global Talent Stream. The first is, it is worth noting that even though the Global Talent Stream only results in a temporary work permit up to 3 years of duration, it means that if you got accepted under this program, you will be eligible to get work permit up to 3 years of duration. This program is an excellent pathway to permanent immigration to Canada. Many Canadian immigration programs require a person to have 1 year or Canadian work experience in order to qualify. And this includes the Canadian Experience Class or Express Entry, as well as the host of Provincial Nominee Program PNP streams. Once you have 1 year of experience, chances are you will be in a great position to pursue Canadian permanent resident status. I hope you guys find my video useful. I always try to bring videos which could help you and help you learn and be independent. If you like our video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel Can Visa Pathway. Thank you very much.